Hi everyone, this is Stephanie with Markate. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use our package estimate feature to upsell your services to your customers. The package estimates are made so that you can easily set up your services that you regularly offer into a package so that your customer is able to see and compare the differences between certain service and price for each one and then choose which package works best for them. So to begin, I'm going to choose Estimates from my desktop and then Packages from the left menu. Because I haven't set these up, there are 3 default packages. You have Affordable Package, Best Choice, and then Bestseller. Before we start entering our information, I'm just going to show you something in Manage and then Edit. So Affordable Package, if you scroll to the bottom, you'll notice that there is a badge that says Best Price. You can choose to keep these badges, delete them, or upload an image that you feel better represents the package that you're creating, but it's only for those 3 defaults. So to begin, I'm just going to go ahead to where I have my packages all filled out. So I have a platinum, a gold, and a silver, and we're going to make one together by pressing Add Package in the upper right corner. For name, I'm just going to go ahead and put Quick Wash Package. Description, I have that, and I'll just put that in there. My price is going to be $50. You can do a discount if you'd like. For my image, I'm going to choose a picture of a fast car to represent my quick wash, and then I'm saving it. So that's how easy it is to set up your packages. And now we're going to create a package estimate to send to a customer. I'm going to press My Estimates from the left menu and New Estimate. And then I'm going to choose Packages Estimate. Now it starts like all the others, so I'll just go ahead and start with your customer, pick the location, a job name if you have one, and now when you go to the package, you're just going to click that space. It's going to show you which packages you can choose from. So there we go. We're just going to keep adding them. If you do get the list that pops up, it's just a browser issue. You can just press escape or click out of it or ignore it and it will go away. So we have our platinum, so now we'll do gold. I decided to keep the bestseller ribbon and I want to recommend this package. So that way when I send the estimate to the customer, this deal will already be checked. So she can either choose to keep that or she can choose one of the other packages. So now we'll just finish by adding the last couple. And we're going to go ahead and save that as a draft. Now going back into my estimates, I'm going to find that and then I'm going to manage and then submit that estimate to my customer, just making sure that everything is in order. And there we go. We just sent it to our customer. So I'm just going to wait a few moments and then I will check my email to go ahead and see that estimate as a customer would view it. So here's the estimate we just made. We're going to view this. And this is what your customer is going to see. So there's the platinum package, and then you can see that the gold package is already checked. And then there's the other 2. So now your customer has the option to go ahead and pick whichever service works best for them and then accept. So there you go. It's that easy to go ahead and make a package and then use that to go ahead and upsell your services. I hope this video helped, and if you have any other questions, don't be afraid to contact us. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.